Hello guys, welcome to Luisa Kiki educational skincare content. So in today's video I'll be showing you how you can come up with an effective pink lip product. Yeah, this is my pink lip product that I produced the last video. So I'm going to show you how you can come out with this product. This product is an effective pink lip product. It's very effective. You can use it for yourself. You can resell to your customers if you want. And the ingredients that I'm going to use to come out with this, to show you how to produce, to come out with your pink lip product, they are very mild and gentle, but very effective. And you can find this product in any cosmetic shop around, or in any local market around. Yes, this product or this ingredient, they are very effective, guys. So you can try this product, and then you let me know in the comment section if it actually worked for you. I'm going to be using Perfect Glow. This is my base. Perfect Glow is my base. I'm using Perfect Glow Carrot Body Cream. Yes, I'm using this cream because it's a lightening body cream. It will help to lighten or to clear hyperpigmentation or on your lip. It's going to take away the dark pigment on your lip. So that's the reason why I'm using this base, this Perfect Glow Carrot, as my base. The next product, and I'll be using 1 tablespoon of this product. So I'm making a little quantity because I want to show you guys how you can do it. So the next product I'm going to be using is this Vaseline blue seal Vaseline cocoa butter. So I'll be using 1 tablespoon of blue seal Vaseline, and blue seal Vaseline will help as a moisturizer. In order not to dry off your lip. So that's the reason why I'm using this blue seal Vaseline to moisturize your lip, to make your lip supple, to make your lip very soft. So we are going to be using 1 tablespoon of this blue seal Vaseline also. 1 tablespoon. So after using 1 tablespoon of this blue seal Vaseline, we are going to be using our propylene glycol. These are propylene glycol in this bottle. Propylene glycol will help for deep penetration. It will help this product. Propylene glycol will help this product to work very well. It will help in deep penetration. This product is not going to remain on the surface of your lip, but it's going to penetrate deep in your lip. So we are using this propylene glycol for fast reaction, for fast result, so that your product can work very fast and very well. So I'll be using 5 drops of propylene glycol. Another product we are going to be using now is our preservative. I'm using preservative because I don't want my product to get bad in the future. So that's the reason why I'm using preservative. I'm using preservative also to give my product long lasting life shelf. So I'm using German Plus preservative. So I'll be using 5 drops of German Plus preservative. Product, I'll be using my citric acid. Yeah, I'm using citric acid for exfoliation. This citric acid is going to help to exfoliate your lip mildly. It's going to mildly exfoliate your lip. So that's the reason why I'm using citric acid for exfoliation. It's going to exfoliate your lip. So I'll be dissolving my citric acid using my rose water. So I'm just going to get half of my citric acid, just a pinch of it, like, I don't know, you're seeing the quantity I'm using. So I'm going to add it into my cup. I'm going to add half again, that so we are using half teaspoon of citric acid, and I'm going to add rose water to it to dissolve. This is it. I use half teaspoon of citric acid. So I'm going to dissolve this citric acid before adding it into my mixture. I'm going to dissolve it with rose water. This is my rose water. So I'm going to dissolve it with rose water. I'm going to let it sit for a while before I pour it into my mixture. I'm going to stir for it to dissolve very, very fast. So I'm going to let it down to dissolve for a while before I use it. Another product I'm going to use is my fragrance. I'm using strawberry fragrance in this mixture. I want my pink lip to have a very good smell, to have a very good fragrance, to have a very good scent. So guys, after stirring this my product, I'm going to use my dissolved citric acid. Is already dissolved, so I'm just going to be putting it in little quantity because I don't want my pink lip to be watery. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of it and mix. This is 2 teaspoons. So I'm going to stir again and mix to see the consistency of it before going ahead and adding anything into it. This is my citric acid I've added into my mixture. So I'm going to see how it is. I'm going to check the consistency before adding anything again into my product. So this is how I want it to be. So after adding my citric acid into this mixture, I'm going to add my colorant. This is my food colorant. This is pink colorant. My food colorant, it is pink. So I'm just going to add a pinch of this color into my mixture. So I just added a pinch of it. I'm going to stir to see if I'm going to come out with the consistency of what I want. So guys, this is how my consistency look. Can you see that it is not watery at all? Can you see? This is how it's supposed to be. This is how the pink lip is supposed to be. It's supposed to be like this. The consistency is supposed to be like this, very thick. So this is the product already. So after coming out with this, you can bottle it and sell to your client or and use. So this is my container. This is my bottle. I'm going to bottle up the pink lip. I'm going to bottle up this product. This is the consistency of the pink lip. Can you see? This is how it looks. Can you see how thick it is? I have bottled it already. I've bottled one bottle already of this product. So I'm going to bottle up the other remaining maybe after this video. So guys, this is how your product is supposed to be. So before applying this product, you're going to scrub your lip with your scrub. Yes, you're going to scrub your lip. In my next video, I'm going to show you how you can make a pink lip scrub to actually scrub your lip before using this product. So guys, you are going to be applying this product on your lip as many times as possible a day, depending on you. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, like this video, follow my page, please. So you can actually sell this product. If you make this product in a large quantity or in a large batch, you can go ahead and sell this product and sit at home and make much money with this production. Yes. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.